Hey guys, welcome back to another video of T-Kinter on Smart and Simple Programming. In this video, we're going to be talking about widget, a single widget. For the next couple of videos, I want to talk about individual widgets, like the text widget, or the button widget, or the checkbox widget, all or most of the different types of widgets that we can use in T-Kinter. Now, the reason I'm doing one widget for each video is so you guys can actually learn the how each widget works and get a basic understanding of all of them, so you can actually create your own programs to do things you want, and you can make those programs possible and your ideas possible with these widgets. In this video, we're going to be talking about the text widget. So let me just take all this complicated stuff out for a minute. Just focus on the basics. What the text widget does is it offers a text area where you can type text in. Now it's very simple. It doesn't have any specific attributes to its widget. All it has is the general attributes like BG, FG, all those other ones that we talked about in our last video in Exploring Python Graphics 8. This one just has the root, and that's the only thing required. And it works, and it's actually kind of perfect. So you get this big white area, you can't see it, and it's just able to type, and it's pretty cool. But there's a lot of stuff you can do with it. It's not doing widgets, but actually putting in some complex stuff that we saw earlier. Let's take a look at what that really was. Alright, we had a configuration. This, actually, let me take out. This we don't need for this video. Just these three lines. You probably can figure out what we're trying to do here. We have a photo, and photo equals photo image file capture.v1.png. This is how you load a photo image or photo data into Python using the photo image class in Tkinter. We have our file. That's the only attribute we need because we don't need a root because we're not putting it anywhere yet. So we have our file equals capture.v1.png. That's a computer image file on my laptop. The way this works is I have tkinter.py stored in a file called tutorials and extra files, as you see here. That's where capture.v1.png is stored too. You can't have a picture that's on your laptop put in your Python program when your file is not in there. So what I'm saying is you need to have the picture and the Python file in the same folder. Okay, so we got this line down. This is a photo image line where we load up our photo. Now T, which is our text box, has to insert at the end, capitalizing END, a new line, and that's where it's going to insert the image. We haven't inserted the image yet. We have to do t.imageCreate. We're going to create the image at the end, and we're going to put the attribute image, and that's going to be the photo. We run this. We get a beautiful image. Look at this coding. Isn't it great? Alright, so we created a photo in our text area box. And we can still type. Okay, this is pretty cool. Now let's see if we can insert some text. We got this hard part down. I know, this code is hard to memorize, and that's why I'm going to leave the link for this code in the description below that I created. Okay, so now let's load up some text. Let's take a break from this complicated stuff. Let's create a variable of text or a string, say text, and it's going to equal welcome to Chewy. And then we can load it up by doing t.insert at the end text. And we get welcome to GUI right there, and we can still type. Yay! Alright, in this video, we learned how to use text, we learned how to load up images, we learned what attributes we can specify with text. That's none, by the way, trick question. And how we can load some text and images. I probably already said that. Alright, welcome to GUI, and in the next video, we're going to be talking about another widget. I will see you